Hey there, friends! Today, let's fold a cute little puppy together. Start with a square piece of paper, 15 by 15 centimeters. You'll also need a googly eye and a marker. Place your paper like a diamond, then fold it in half. Fold it in half one more time, and then open it back up. Now, turn it so it's a triangle pointing down. Take the bottom corners and fold them up like this. See how the tips don't quite touch the top? Now, take that upper triangle, fold it half, and fold it behind. Then take the bottom flap and tuck it neatly inside, just like this. Flip your paper over. Now fold each side in a little, like this. The other side too. Nice and even. Next, fold up the bottom edge just a tiny bit. Then fold the corners in so they touch the center line. Both sides just like that. Now fold these edges outward to line up with the outside corners. Do the same the other side. Flip it over. It's starting to look like a puppy, isn't it? Let's fold the ears down at a slant. Then tuck the ear tips behind so they look like little triangles. Time to draw. Use your marker to give your puppy an eye and a nose. Then stick on the googly eye to finish it off. And done! Thanks so much for folding with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun with Fold with Bee. See you next time.